Namaste everyone, my name is Hernan, I'm from Chile, and I just completed my yoga course training in Yogashala Rishikesh. I have to recommend this ashram strongly because not just the quality of the teacher, but also the atmosphere here in the ashram was always a very nice, was always like familiar place for all of us. And the accommodation, the food was always delicious, and always the teacher was willing to help us with any question. It was just amazing time for us, and don't miss it. And I'm looking forward to come back next time for my 300 hours. Namaste.